Hello everyone and welcome to Ayesha'S Cuisines, Cuisine du Monde, Shetty's Cuisine du Monde, a platform whereby we cook cuisines around the world. So if you have the chance to come across this channel today, you are most welcome. And today we're gonna make some chocolate sponge cake with some chocolate ganache. So stay tuned. The ingredients for the recipe: we have some 2 dark chocolate, we have some raspberry, we have some cocoa powder, cayenne pepper. You know, chocolate and pepper is a match made in heaven. Our chocolate sponge mix, some vanilla, our glitter, and 2 large eggs. That's it. And then for the ganache, we need some milk and then our chocolate. So let's stay tuned. Large clean bowl, I'm just gonna pour in my mixture. In goes the mixture. So this is the type I'm using. This mixture, I'm just gonna crack in my eggs too, approximately. Vanilla extract, approximately 1 tablespoon. I'm gonna add in approximately 150 ml of water, cold water. I'm gonna mix this nice and thoroughly. Let's keep mixing, guys, so everything is evenly incorporated. This is the texture we're going for. And then in a clean cake tin, I'm just gonna pour this in there nicely, ensuring that you scrape everything without leaving anything. So our cake is done. Just gonna do the ganache, so stay tuned as I take you through the process. We have some milk on fire, and we're just gonna put in our chocolate. This is the type I'm dark chocolate, and then this is milk. Guys, in it goes. Yes, stir this in so everything melts nicely. A bit of 1 tablespoon of bitter cocoa in there. Spoon of cayenne powder in there. And I'm gonna off the fire now. I'm just gonna stir till everything is well incorporated and melted. I'm gonna add approximately 1 tablespoon of butter, just for that shine. Just incorporating this. Allow this to cool. Then we're gonna pour this on so guys, this is our chocolate ganache. You know, creamy and silky. Guys, our cake is done. It's cool, nice and cool. We're just gonna turn it over. So this is how it's looking like.
Ayesha'S Cuisines, a place where your cooking is cared for. Ayesha'S Cuisines, a place where your cooking is cared for. Ayesha'S Cuisines, you are what you eat. Eat well, live well. Ayesha'S Cuisines. Ayesha'S Cuisines. Come on, Ayesha'S Cuisines. A place where your cooking is cared for. Ayesha'S Cuisines. Come on, Ayesha'S Cuisines. A place where your cooking is cared for. Ayesha'S Cuisines. You are what you eat. Eat well, live well. Ayesha'S Cuisines. So
Gonna
this is a
add
cooking
some
platform whereby we cook
raspberries to
cuisines around the
this.
world. So if you like eating recipes
Guys,
across the globe, then this channel is
your
for you.
cake is
And you
done.
can
I hope you
support it
like
by
it. Don't
subscribing,
forget to give me a
liking,
thumbs up
commenting,
or
and
like.
sharing.
Don't forget to
That way,
subscribe
you get to
and
recommend
share
my
the video to
channel,
support the
and I
channel.
also get to
Let's
upload
have a
more
slice
videos.
of this cake, shall we?
Thank you.
See how it's looking like. And until then, it's a goodbye from Ayesha'S Unique Cuisines. Bye.